To dismantle a master's house, you got to use the master's tools. Social media for social change. All right? That's the 2021 Weaver Award winner, Weaving the Social Fabric. All right? I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best, incarcerated in 2 different states. March 3rd is my anniversary. State of Illinois versus Duane Davis. It's my anniversary. That's Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger used the case from 1986 to get a grand jury indictment. He brought false evidence to the grand jury. That 1986 case, I was found innocent. The case was reversed and remanded. It was about the war on drugs. It was about mass incarceration. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine in our black communities, the cash crop. And I put it in a book. Whistleblower, the movie. That's the Maryland State Senate Legislative. Governor O'Malley, Governor Hogan, Governor Glendenning. Since 1991, I've been doing this. Whistleblower, the movie. Y'all made Baltimore the wire. This is Baltimore Rewired. Schaefer said follow the money, so I'm going to follow the money. And I'm going to show you the machine. This is the legislators by districts, all right? And that's Kathy. And Kathy done been in the place and been in the room a lot of times when I talked about Scott Shellenberger. Y'all won't prosecute Scott Shellenberger. So we're going to make a movie out of it. And I'm going to use the law to do it. To dismantle the master's house, you got to use the master's tools. That's Maryland law, all right? Maryland law, criminal law. All right, you got that? A person may not make or cause or be made a statement, report, or complaint, and the person knows it is false. All right? That means that he filed false papers with the court, and he's an officer of the court. And Greg Bernstein had that February the 2nd. That's the state's attorney's office. All right, that's the state's attorney's office. Like I said, I'm weaving the social fabric. M&T Bank, weaving. Duane G. Davis. Weaving with Governor O'Malley. Corey McCrae. Y'all got the diary of Anne Frank? You got letters from a Birmingham jail? Well, we got Governor O'Malley in his mom machine. See that? 2009. Release all material to the voters. That's Governor O'Malley in parole and probation. Like I said, I'm the cook in Baltimore. I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. 1402 Lochner, 2009. 2009. That's letters design. Anne Frank's diary.
That was easy.
Yeah, getting ready to push your buttons. Letters design covers the prison industry. 12/2/2007. It's a Jailhouse Diary. If you go on YouTube, you can see the video with Buddy Carpenter, In Jesus' Name. I shot it on a Sunday morning when I was leaving town. It's art and activism. That's Duane G. Davis. All right? Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. I'm the cook in Baltimore, and I'm going to cook y'all up. You stole me from my family. You stole my business. That's commode motion, and we're going to put this in motion. And we're going to use our constitutional rights. The First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of speech. You feel me? So, Lady Breon, Maryland Black Arts District. Racism don't work without black cooperation. This is a movie. So I'm going to come to the Maryland Arts Council and ask for funding. I'm going to go to the Maryland Black Arts District and ask for funding. Because this movie is social media. It affects us. We're looking for funding for arts. Well, I need some of that funding to fund this film. Letters design. The Diary of Anne Frank. Day 35. Tuesday.
It ain't work when you make it fun. Did you use a toilet today? You can think about Shorty tomorrow. Same thing make you laugh, make you cry.
These are our representatives. All right? These are our representatives. So go directly to Senator Brooks and go to Adrian Jones and get my paperwork. We're going to have a roll call on justice, just like Martin Luther King. We're going to see if justice is going to trickle down. We're going to see Mr. Jackson. We're going to see our elected officials, Delegate Hill. We're going to have a roll call. Yeah, a roll call. Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. Maryland's prison industry and they cash cow. Welcome to the shit show. And that's my visitors pass to the 4th floor.